Good morning, everybody. Day 11, leaving the Mount Algo shelter. We got here yesterday evening. I forgot to do a closing video, but we did 8.8 miles when we got here. Quit raining around 2:30. After we got here later on in the evening, it started raining again. But we got a foggy, sunny morning though. The sun's trying to pop through. But today we're going to go into Kent and resupply, and then after that we're going to head on to another shelter. We're going to be going 7.5 miles today. So if I get any views today, I'll take pictures. Yesterday wasn't many views because we were in the clouds and pouring down rain. But worst of all was the mosquitoes attacked us yesterday. Our legs look horrible. But anyhow, we'll talk to y'all later, so let's roll. Alright, got our resupply done here in Kent and got me some fuel. Now we're going to head back onto the trail. We'll talk to y'all later, so let's roll. Alright, mile 1474.4. Got us a great view here. Beautiful day. Alright, talk to y'all later, so let's roll. Alright, we're at mile 1476.9. Caleb's Peak. Elevation is 1,133. I'll get down here to the view. We're taking a little break up here. Alright, forgot to let y'all know we came across that mountain earlier. Housatonic River down there. And we got 3.5 miles to the shelter. It's called, I think, Stewart Hollow Shelter. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 1477.6. Got us a view here at St. John's Ledge. Not a bad view. Talk to y'all later. Got us a porcupine off the side of the trail here. Oh, he's moving. Oh, he's got the quills. Talk to y'all later. He's gone.